So basically, the anchor element in HTML is used to create hyperlinks, allowing users to navigate to other web pages or resources. This is how you use the anchor element or the anchor tag in HTML. So you have A, and then you can put in the href, which stands for hyperlink reference. And right here, you define the link. So it can be HTTPS. Let's have top universe right here .org. Okay, that makes sense. And then we can put in, the description of that link. Okay, so you have to also attach the description that will display on the front of the website, on the front end of the website, right, which is on your browser. Okay, so we have Top Universe right here. So let's save. It can be visit Top Universe. Okay, so let's save this, and we can simply preview. So let's refresh the page. I'm going to move this back to the top here. Let's have this on the top. Save, refresh. Right here, you see we have visit Top Universe, right? And we also have another property, which is the target. This would define how you basically want to, visit this page. Do you want to visit this page on the same page, or, in a different page? So if I use blank, it is going to open this page up in a different page. Let's start by refreshing. When I click on this, you see it opens this up on a new page, and, it's going to load the website on that new page. All right, let's close this for now. So that is basically how you work with the hyperlink, reference, and of course the A tag. Now, it's quite important to also note that you can have the A tag wrap other elements. So for example, I can have the A tag wrap both the H1 and the P element, just like this. I can save, right? File, save, okay, refresh. Now you see both the H1 and the P element are, currently wrapped within the A tag. That makes sense. Okay, and you can also use the A tag to, reference additional pages. So let's assume we have about.html right here, and then we simply have an about page. So we can say this is an about page wrapped within an H1 tag. Let's save this. Okay, so right here, instead of putting a link, I can simply say about.html. All right, so I have this saved. Okay, I also have this saved. Let's come back here. Let's refresh this page. I'm going to do a little bit of fix here. Let's move this out. Okay, and now this is going to stand on its own. Visit about page. All right, let's refresh. Now you see this actually loaded the about page right here on the browser. Nice. Okay, so as regards the section, we can actually have, a section maybe right here. We'll talk about using the div tag, okay, very soon. Yeah, so right here we have ID, and then we have an ID that we can call maybe about, right? So we can basically use the A tag to visit that ID of about, just like this. We don't need to have this in a blank page, so let's take this off. All right, so I can say check, let's say check the about section here. Okay, H1 to say this is the about section. All right, so basically you can use this, to visit that specific section. You do this by also attaching some sort of scroll effects, right? So you can simply scroll to, this section. For now, we're not going to be doing this. I'll show you in a later video. These are basically some of the things you can do with the A tag. All right, let's take that off. Okay, let's take this off as well. Let's keep this simple. Save, refresh. Good.